Hello, welcome. Real quick video today. I've just realised that I want to put my GoPro on a tripod mount, but I do not have the right mount. So all I'm going to do is quickly make up a mount. Just emptied out all of my GoPro mounts and I don't have what I need. What I need is a way of mounting a standard GoPro mount onto a tripod. Now you can buy these for pennies, but I want to use one right now. So the only option I've got is to make one. What I do have, I have the normal mount, I have the tape, I have a 5mm thick piece of aluminium, and the most important thing is a 1/4 by 20 tap, which is 1/4 UNC, which is the thread. This thread here is a standard thread for a lot of camera mounts. And I have my engineering skills. First thing I need to do is cut my piece of aluminium.